Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how live activities work, how you can enable them and disable them in iOS 16. Now, as you know, iOS 16 has some new features along with live activities. Now, as you can see, this is how live activities work. These are kind of like your push notifications on your lock screen, as you can see. And you can enable them as well. So as you can see, live activities are a type of interactive push notifications. They were designed by Apple to enable iOS apps to provide real-time updates to their users that are visible from the lock screen. As you can see, this is how it will look like. For example, this is Uber, right? And then, as you can see, unlike widgets, live activities live exclusively on the lock screen, or live exclusively on the lock screen, and can only last up to 8 hours. They are intended to display changing data for live events such as sports scores, delivery statuses, and other real-time transactional updates, right? So that's pretty much, how you can use these live activity notifications. Now, it depends which app has these live activities, but here's how you can enable them. So if you go to your obviously settings, you can go to Face ID and passcode, and then obviously you enter your passcode to access the settings and everything like that, and then you go to live activities and just switch that on. As you can see, allow access when locked. Go to live activities, switch it on. As you can see, you can also control which apps can show live activities on your iPhone lock screen. Currently, you can experience live activities with a live sports game in the Apple TV app. However, unfortunately, the live sports tab on Apple TV is only available in US and Canada. But as you can see, you can also enable live activities for live sports in Apple TV, right? Here's how you can do this. Just go into Apple TV, and then you'll be able to switch live activities on. You can do this with any app that has live activities turned on as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, this is how it will look like on your lock screen. And that's pretty much it. So that's what live activities is all about, and how they work and how you can enable them. So if you have more questions about live activities, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.